Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down and grounding yourself. This protects the drive and motherboard. Next, remove the side panel and visually confirm the SSD type, SATA or M.2, and the exact slot it uses because wrong placement prevents detection. Once done, verify you have the latest BIOS downloaded to a USB stick and note the motherboard model. These steps remove variables so you can proceed with firmware, physical checks, and BIOS settings without guessing what failed. You should now reset the SSD and swap ports or cables to rule out a bad connection. For M.2, try the other slot if available. Then boot into Asus BIOS and set storage mode to ASI, disable secure boot temporarily, and enable CSM if the drive is older. This changes how the firmware enumerates devices. If it still hides, update the BIOS and perform a CMOS reset to clear misconfigurations. Finally, test the drive in another PC or with a USB adapter to isolate hardware faults. Now boot into an OS installer or your current system. If the SSD is visible but unallocated, initialize and format it to make it usable. Use the manufacturer's diagnostic and firmware tools to update or secure erase the drive if it reports errors. Once configured, re-enable Secure Boot if you disabled it. If the drive remains invisible after these steps, the key troubleshooting tip: swap the SSD into another compatible machine. If it still fails, gather serials and request an.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.